This Arduino-based system uses an RTC module to automate reminders and displaying scheduled tasks on an LCD. It alerts the user with a buzzer and lead for activities like taking medicine, bathing, and eating, updating the LCD and triggering notification at preset times. At 6:59 on March 4, 2025, the system is up and running, displaying the current time on the LCD. It continuously checks the RTC for any upcoming scheduled events. As there are no tasks assigned at this time, the LCD only shows the real-time clock updating every second. At 7 p.m., the first reminder activates, displaying take medicine on the LCD and sounding the buzzer to alert the user. This ensures timely medication with the lead may light up as a visual reminder. At 7:01, the system updates the LCD to display time to bath, prompting the user to start bathing. If automated, the servo motor may actively rotate to 90 degrees, possibly opening the door, and the buzzer sound to ensure the reminder is noticed. At 7:02, the system displays dinner time on the LCD, sounds the buzzer briefly to remind the user to eat. The servo motor may actively rotate back to 0 degree, possibly to close the door, and the lead may light up, adding an extra layer of notification.